da da do 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 do. Hey, I'm doing my math homework. If you forgot the math homework, it's the front and back of the first page of the 2-page packet.
It's holiday blue.
Whoa! Guys, look at the screenshot I made. It's just when William Osmond's dog died, and I was like really sad. But what's funny is that there was 3 Pepes in a row. And yeah, there's 3 Pepes in a row, and yeah, I just thought it was cool. I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe William Osmond will see this. He's a pretty cool guy. He also has social media. Probably. Oh shoot! It's not supposed to come out. I'm a little bit sick. Hey, Willie. Yeah, guy named Willie in my class. He's in my Spanish class. Pretty sure he's in the wrong Spanish class because that's what he said at the beginning of the year. Well, I don't know, but every time we do something, he's like, "Oh my god, I remember this from last year. I hate conjugating verbs." Conjugating verbs isn't that hard, folks. It's literally the verbs end with O. Tu, the verbs end with AS. El, ella, and usted end with A. Nosotros or we ends with amos. AMOS. And él, ella, and ellos, and ustedes ends with AN. Let's sing a song. Yo is or and tú is us and él, ella, ustedes nosotros amos do. Don't do that nosotros stuff, and ustedes stuff is